Hey everyone, so I couldn't put this on my face, but I did want it to be pretty clear this is what we're talking about. So today's video review, when am I on? I'm actually a little excited about this. We've got them up on the website, so check them out there. But we're gonna go through, play with this, talk about the different colors, and see how it works. Should be simple and fun. All right, so what we've got here, I've seen a lot of people doing these travel cases these days. Every freaking one of them, black on black on black on black, and drove me mad because I love colorful frames, and you put colorful frames in a black frame, especially with crystal, or black case, even with crystal, they're gone. You put black frames in a black case, they're gone. They're there, but you just can't see them play with them. So, anyways, this is the boring release, okay? But I'm still excited about them because these are gonna be hopefully the mainstay colors. We'll see which ones work. You guys let me know which color you like best. We'll work on that for the next run. So I really need to narrow down and pick one of these three colors, maybe. Definitely gonna have some more fun releases in the future because it wouldn't be mine if I didn't have some colors. But I'm gonna keep it classy, still unique. A little bit different look. On these right off, it is all leather exterior. Little leather tab here. We talked about doing one of these and actually a pair of glasses in a future release. That'll be fun. But really strong zipper closure on these. I am very fond of a nice zipper closure because then you don't have to worry about things getting lost. It does pull easily, even with one hand to go through. Nice hinged right there. Opens really easily. And it is a very thick plush suede interior, by the way. This one, my personal favorite, is the HC white, which high contrast white, just like on the front of the box, because I think that's nice. And you can see all the colors of the frames really nicely and easily. Nothing gets lost in here. You can go right to the pair you want to grab. Yes, there's not a lens in there. Don't fire me today. This is very hard to do sideways, in case you were wondering. You can see your lens color in the sunglasses really nicely with that as well. My personal favorite recommendation, that's the HC white. Now, right off, and I will criticize myself all day long, maybe we'll change this in a future release so there's a little elastic strap in here so it's not as much of an issue and it'll fit different sizes very easily. Went a little bit larger on the tray area on these, just so it can fit a larger range of a collection. Personally, I have a very varied collection, so a little bit more room there was better off, and as plush as that material is inside, it's not really gonna be a huge issue. You don't have to worry about the frames getting scratched up as long as you don't put two in one slot. Don't do that. I will come for you. 4 in here, 1 on your face. That's 5 pairs for travel. You don't, okay, I mean, you could definitely use more. 5 multiples? I don't know. Anyways, so that's just the one thing, but you know, they're not really super rattling or flying around, though some of my frames are pretty large. Let's see, if we throw in something a little smaller here. This little guy, yeah, that one moves around a pretty good bit. So, but you can see, I'll still flop it around. I'll throw it around. Or I have lenses to throw in it even if I did, but everything's pretty well still in place there as intended. Especially the zipper closed, it's a little bit more even pressure all the way around rather than just my hand holding it there. We're gonna have some fun with these though. I think at least. I hope we are. That's the HC white. Next up is the Tame taupe. This guy here in particular, it was a big internal debate. Internal. It was an internal debate with other helpers in the shop and myself. I didn't particularly want or love the idea of this one, but it is taupe. It's, unless you're comparing it directly to the white side by side, in most cases in a photo, you're not going to see the difference, which is part of the reason for the video, so we can see the difference. It is almost your dirty white. This is the one you don't have to worry about it getting dirty and aging and looking gross and horrible, even though, you know, if you take care of them, the white's not going to be super bad. The overall effect, though, is still very much the same, and I'm quite fond of it. It still gives a nice punch. You lose the colors a little bit in the taupe, but not nearly what you would expect it to. I've lost my color right there. There we go. So the neon one there, you can see. Everything still shows up really nicely in the taupe colorway. You know, it's funny, the original prototype, these zippers were silver, and that drove me mad. Maybe we should have left them silver. I don't know. You let me know in the comments. We can always change colors in the future. We ended up going with a gunmetal just because I liked it. This is the one for you, what's the word for it? Normal? Normal people that like the black on black, but still realize it's a little too dark. Just the classic gray. Signature gray is the name of this colorway. It is simple, it is classic, it is what you will find. It gets the job done. You can still see your frames, even the dark black ones. They don't get lost. It's all solid black there. Still has some nice pop to it. What's really fun with this particular gray though, and yeah, we looked at a whole bunch of them, you still get a really strong color pop on your colorful translucents. This guy here doesn't get lost in there just because it's sitting on a darker background. Still has plenty of pop, still super rich and plush. I love it. I hope you guys love it. We got the link for them. We've got them on the website. We did just 100 or so in each color in this initial batch, so they'll go relatively quick. We'll see. Let me know your feedback. If you've got one already, because I did get a few friends into them pretty quickly, let me know your thoughts on them down below. We definitely have got some reviews on the website as well, but I hope you enjoy them. Let me know your thoughts on it and anything you'd like to see improved in future versions, because I hope these are a staple for the website and the store for a long time to come. So I'll catch you guys next time.